Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding the revision tips for you all. As you all know that we have our examination round the corner, which is supposed to happen in June 2023 as notified by CSIR in the latest notification that we got, right? So it's a very important thing to keep in mind regarding that. How should you actually revise? What should be your approach towards the revision? So for the same matter, I have tried to jot down few important pointers regarding effective revision. So in this video, I'll try to give you effective revision tips from my end for any competitive exam, not just CSIR, but any competitive exams which you are targeting for. So this particular video would be helpful for you. Before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to our Botany Insider family, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, download the app from the iOS, from the Play Store. It is available on both, right? Then let's talk about the various courses. So we have a lot of courses running for you all for especially the June 2023 examination. Very important one is this revision crash course. If you are finding any difficulty in revising from your end, you can join our crash course and get yourself enrolled in this revision course where we structurally revise every single point related to all the most important topics. So you can download the app and get yourself enrolled in this. We also have a complete series of mock tests for you all which you can solve. There are 40 plus mock tests available for you all. You can solve them on weekly basis in the similar pattern of the way we have the CSIR interface. In the similar manner, you can get an exam experience and get yourself prepared for this final examination. Let's talk about what are the various important revision tips that you should keep in mind. See, revision is very, very important. No matter how much you have prepared, no matter how many topics you have prepared, at the end of the day, on the final examination day, what matters is how effectively have you revised, because revision would help you mark the questions in the examination, right? So make sure that you are revising very, very nicely, and in revision you need to keep various pointers in mind. Very first thing is be consistent. If you're revising 5 hours a day, if you're revising 4 hours a day, make sure that you are consistently revising for the various subsequent days. Do not skip that on first day you're revising for 10 hours and then for next 3 days you're not revising at all. It won't give you any good. So make sure that you are very much consistent in your revision. This is the very important and very first tip from my end. Then you have second most important tips regarding make plans. Planning is very, very important. You need to make sure that you are planning very, very nicely, because planning would help you to track down what topics are left. Planning would help you to break down your topic into small chunks and get the complete slot prepared, get the complete revision completed in less time. Next thing, repeat regularly. Let's say that you have 3 months left, so it is not possible for us that on the very first day, like let's say today you revise something, you would keep in mind the same thing at the end of 3 months as well. No, you need to make sure whatever you are revising, you are repeating that revision as well. So in terms of revision, I would suggest you go for repeated revisions. That is very, very important. Then we have the recalling technique. in addition to repeating, make sure that you are recalling also very, very nicely. That means what? Recalling in terms of that, let's say you have revised the cell cycle completely with your notes book open in front of you, right? But what is recalling? Recalling is close your books and then check, and then just sit and check what are the various bullet points that you remember. What you can do, you can take a A4 sheet and start scribbling down all the pointers that you remember, and just check what are the points that are being left, and then try to revise it again. So recalling is something that keeps a check on your retention power. That means you need to make sure that whatever you are revising is retained in your mind as well, right? So recalling is again very important. Then next important point, you still have 3 months in your hand and you can easily make bullet pointers. That means whatever you have revised, you can make bullet pointers of that, so that before 1 month of the examination, you need not to go for your lengthy notes. You need not to sit and read all those bulky notes. You can make your pointer notes as well. And if you're feeling any difficulty, you can have notes booklet from our end, from Botany Insider. Complete information is in the description box. Download the app and get your notes booklet delivered at your doorstep. You can revise from them as well. Then try out mind mapping. So this is similar to bullet mapping itself. That is, when you're making the bullet pointers, try to make the bullet pointers in terms of a mind map. That is, in cell cycle, let's say, make sure that you have every single thing completed in 2 pages itself. Try to jot down all the possible things in the minimum space possible. This is what a mind mapping is all about. Last thing is practicing. Again, very, very important. Practice out as much as possible. Make sure that you are going for mock tests very, very regularly. On every Sunday, sit for a mock test. Try to solve out 145 questions on a stretch, and then make sure that you are revising, like whatever is the problem that you have gone through in that particular question. Try to see what mistakes are you doing, and then in the subsequent week try to eliminate those problems. So these are the various pointers. And if you're not able to find out mock test, so Botany Insider has a set of mock tests also available. 40 plus CBT mode format mock tests are available. You can download the app, you can download our Botany Insider app and get yourself registered in those mock tests. So this is how the mock test icon looks like. You can download the app, check these and get yourself enrolled. In addition to that, we have revision crash course, we have notes booklet, we have a full course also running for the June 2023 examination paper. So whatever you wish to, you can download the app and get yourself registered. So I hope all these pointers helped you out. In addition, if you have any other problem, any other video you wish to from my end, you can let me know in the chat sections. I'll make up the same video for you all. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider, and in addition also do not forget to download the application. Good luck everyone, take care and all the best.